I've got undefeated Orky OS. Now on Windows 7 on Gateway. It's new to the wall. Welcome to Toons OS setup. I'm Toons. Don't want to continue storing Toons OS. You know what? I'll do it for you. The setup is done. Now click forever. At first nice. The test support is Windows 7. Welcome to Toons OS. My name is Toons. Go play, son. Go be go. What the? Go be fried, not OS. Okay, I just listen to some music instead. God, David Stanley. That song is so stupid. Right here, the song stop. Why did you stop my song? Because you don't sound like my song. Oh, I think can't go to the internet. Explore and search. They're going and reboot and also and Princess